Okay, so today my plan is to change this signage for a simple QR code, and when people scan the QR code they'll just get the links to all the various social groups that I'm in. So because it's convertible, the roof kind of covers this piece of glass here and I don't want to get the sticker wrong. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the roof down and mark where these stickers are because they're just in the right place, put some masking tape on, take these off and then use the masking tape to line up the new decal. So roof down. Okay, so as you can see, when the roof was up, these are on the very edge of the roof. So the roof actually covers this piece of glass here. So what I want to do is make sure I don't put my sticker within that piece there. So if I remember rightly, that one was actually inside it a little bit. So I take that one off first and then masking tape that radius there. Then everything should be good. So I'm just going to take this bit off first, leave the rest on and use that as my guide for the masking tape. That's the plan. Watch it go wrong. Okay, that's that one off. So there, and I reckon around about there. So hopefully that should be about right. In fact, let me just check it. Bound to go wrong. Yeah, just got it right. Flipping heck, that's pretty good. Right, back down. Make sure I don't get it upside down. Oh, it's cold today. Can't get the sticker off. There we go. Well, I have preheated these stickers with a hairdryer, so hopefully there shouldn't be any issues. Should just go straight on. So, oh, oh. I'll do that. I'll do it. Oh, that's really done. Try that right, check. This is it. See if it's stuck. This is always the scary bit. And the thing is, this thing isn't like one solid sticker. It's loads and loads of tiny parts. And you need every single part on it to make the QR code work. If one of them little squares falls off, it's all ruined. I don't like the look of that one there. Has that moved? I hope not. I really hope not. Come on. And there we go. Okay, just give it another quick rub, make sure it's down. Looks good to me. Tape off. And then the roof back up, and hopefully it's in the right place, and more importantly it works. So QR scanner, that's brilliant. And then it brings up all my different links. There's my Instagram, my YouTube, my 2 Facebook groups. Click on the Instagram, loads up my Insta. That's brilliant.